What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl We're Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and feel free to share the video. And y'all, before I even put my nails in view, I'm getting ready to do a fill-in, so they're looking a little so yeah, I had donuts and rhinestones, so this is what your nails look like when you take the rhinestones off. And as you can see, kind of went a very long time without getting a fill-in, but I'm going to do that. But we're not going to pay attention to this. What we're going to pay attention to is underneath the nail. So I get this question all the time, like, why are your nails not longer underneath? Me personally, my goal is not to wear an overlay, because usually your goal, if you're going to get longer nails, the longer the nail is basically to wean you off of wearing tips. Basically the end point is either wear an overlay or to just cut all your nails off and do another full set. Me personally, since I do my own nails, I'm not always constantly doing a new full set. That's just me. I like to trim my nails underneath, because as you can see, my nails grow in like a C curve. So like on the sides, they'll lift or they'll get caught on something, or stuff like that, and that can cause damages. And then my nails, as you can see right here, my nail actually actually grows with my nail. So I try to keep that trimmed as possible. So as you can see the difference, this look uniform, this kind of look a little bit whatever. So I trimmed this. Now if you go get your nails done by a professional, some people do it, some people don't. Maybe if you ask your nail tech, they're willing to trim underneath, or some of them may try to persuade you just to say, hey, you just need a full set. Tomato, just depends on the person. Once again, I'm a self-taught nail tech, so I don't have a license, so this is just what I do for my nails. So I just have a few things. So when it comes to trimming underneath, you want to be very careful, because you don't want to nick yourself or cut yourself. Because like when your skin grows with the nail, it can have blood flow also, so you don't want to get any type of infections. So first thing first, you want to make sure you're sanitizing your utensils, but also using the correct utensils as far as your drill bits. So you can either use, this is like a square tip with the flat head, so basically it's like a safety guard. So when you're doing your nail, it has that safety guard up top. This one is the same safety guard, depends on how comfortable you are. And say if I just don't feel like looking for the correct drill bit, I use the circle one, which this is usually used to clean up the cuticle area, so it just depends. So I didn't do my thumb. So as you can see, it needs some cleaning up, and then sometimes also up top can start to get a little disconnected, and you don't want that to get disconnected because water can seep in, greenies, infections. You don't want that. So and I'm comfortable with using this on the highest speed, and this is just a drill I purchased from Amazon. So I'm just want to clean it up, go side to side. You want to make sure when you get to the corner part that you're getting the nail itself and not the acrylic nail, because you don't want to like gouge out the acrylic. So I can compromise the foundation. Worst case scenario, you'll just have to repair it. So as you can see, You know, it just depends on how far you want to take it down, but you want to make sure if your skin does connect to your nail, you can't go but so far because you don't want it to start bleeding. See, I'm just trying to get the best angle since I'm doing my own nails. Kind of hard. So as you can see, and this is just, you know, dust that'll come off when I wash my hands, but as you can see, now it looks uniformed compared to these. So yeah, that's how I clean up my nails, and you know, it just looks a little bit more, you know, uniform to me. I don't like for things to, you know, see it's different shapes and lengths, and they look cleaner, more sanitary. Nothing can get stuck on the sides or in the top part. So that's just something to think about, you know, being a self, you know, taught nail tech. And I'll see you guys on the next video.